Lovelies, welcome. How are you? I'm just going to pop some gloves on because my nails look like, well, can't even tell you. Not going to show you. It's shocking. I've got a Temu, whatever, UK haul, and I've got something else from AliExpress as well. So I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to tell you what they're all related to. I want you to guess. And I want you to write your guess in the comments as soon as you guess. So don't comment until you guess. And I know you'll all guess the same thing, I don't need to tell you. So anyway, I've got this, which was, the Temu stuff was in 2 separate orders. So I did this just to build it up to £20. Being not getting a pensioner, in other words, my husband gets his pension and he helps me out. And then I also have an eBay where I sell stuff, but I need to supplement it. So you'll see why I'm doing this then. So I got this just to fill out to get up to £20 for my order. And then this one as well, which is a palette. So that's going to come in handy. Happy with those. I got some of these, which are the little plates to put the fingertips on. I've only got 2 sets of them and they're getting a bit tacky. So I bought 4 of those in the opalescent sort of white for a change. I got some packing stuff. Which is the lovely pink sort of tissue. I also got some black A5 size envelopes, which are the padded ones. So I've got about 20 of these, that's all, but they're the padded envelopes. I also get myself these. I think these were a right good price. I had to wait for these to come back in stock, so I've seen other people buy them. So I've got 2, but I opened this one already to show you. Oh, thank God in it. There. So I can just sort my beads and my rhinestones out finally, because they're in about 5 separate boxes. So I've got all those. Right, I got these plain sort of satin black cards in A6 size. And I got these, which I think were a bargain, which should come in handy for either my eBay or this. So this is little thank you cards. Just little thin cards, but they worked out at next to nothing. But I think they're really nice. So they're black as well there. I got these holographic envelopes in a pack of 20, I think it was. And those, I wonder how many guesses there'd be already if this were live. Those fit inside there nicely. I'm quite happy with the choices there. Yeah, I know you've all guessed it. What else? I've got this double-sided sticky, which I've already opened and looked at. It's a right faff. It's a right faff peeling that backing off. I'll find a way of doing that. I'll have to leave an end free, I think, so I can just stick it on and then peel that off. That's what I do with normal double-sided. And what else have I got? Oh, I'll show you what I got from AliExpress last. But I got this, which is so cute. And everything that's in it I bought separate. Look at that. It's only little, but it does exactly what I want. So in here, I've got alcohol prep pads. I've got little nail files, which are perfect for just straightening your edges off. Some buffers for your nail bed. Some little plastic ones, which I've just had to buff every end of that with me found, because there was like a nugget of plastic stuck on them. I don't want anybody to, you know, when they come off the whatever, can you see? It stuck up that, so I've had to smooth them off. So I've got the buffer and I've got the orange wood sticks, or plastic ones. I've also got these. I bought 40 of these. These are McCart nail glue. I did, this has been a few weeks in the making, this video, because I was having to research lots of stuff. If I'm doing something, I want to make sure it's right. I looked at reviews on this and people have said it's fab. It's really sticky. It holds like glue. Yeah, so I bought some of those McCart nail glue. I wanted a well-known name. And I've got the sticky tabs as well. So yes, I'm doing the press-ons. I'm not wanting it as a big major business take over my life. You know, I did that with the sugar business. I just want to be able to make a little bit more from doing my YouTube, because I know I'm monetized. I know you can see me adverts, but unless people sit and watch the whole adverts and stuff, I'm on to make a couple of £1 a month. That's it. Might be £1 a day max if people watch adverts. And I need to subsidise my income. So I thought, a couple of people have said if you sold them as press-ons, they'd buy them. So I thought, well, let's have a go. But I want them all to look beautiful. So that's that. And I want to do them sort of luxury ones. That, you know, with a lot of designing, not just plain pink. Although that might be handy, but yeah. I'll show you as we go along. And this is part one really, because there'll be other stuff coming. Like I've got my logo coming to stick on there. I've done, I'll give you a preview, might not be finished yet. This is a preview of a mock-up that I've done on Canva. Oh, that's come off, hold on. Go on. Preview of a mock-up for a sizing kit that I've done. Oh, you can see my new logo there, look. There it is. So that's a mock-up for if everyone wanted a sizing kit, you could send them out. That's just with the set of tips on there. And then you can try them against your own fingers and decide if they fit. And that's to note your size down. So that's how that works. Yeah, so they need printing, but I can't afford them yet either. The only way to make money on YouTube is if people watch the videos and if we get more subscribers. But, you know, not everybody wants to sit and look through all the adverts and that, do they? I'm looking over my shoulder. Hold on. I'm going to just reach and get what I bought. So, just to explain, I wanted the A4 to put them on cards because large letter postage in England is a lot less than parcel post. And parcel post, if people wanted them in America or anything like that, costs an absolute arm and a leg from here. So I want to be able to put my logo and nail tips that are just flat nail art on there. And then anything that's got a bit of bling on, I wanted something else. I've ordered these and I made a mistake. I knew I wanted a 3-inch square and I'd seen these and I wasn't quite sure how they worked and I was intrigued. So I bought the minimum amount I could on AliExpress. Just as like samples really. Anyway, they'll do for little short nails but nothing else. I'll show you a set that I made for myself for a garden party. Well, like we had somebody's birthday at a cricket ground. So I had to really quick sticks to myself a set of nails. So I did these in about an hour. And this is what they look like in the boxes. Don't they look pretty? So this, I didn't know how these work. This is like a little membrane. Can you see it moving? And you can use it for jewellery or anything like that. You put your stuff on there and then when you shut it up, it holds them in place. So they can't rattle about anyway. but I am still going to put them on a double-sided tape so that when you open them, you don't knock them all over the floor, because you've got left and right hand. But I think they look really nice. So I've got those in black and white, and then my logo will just stick over the top. Can you see the tape underneath? So they'll come out like that, or they'll come out on a card. And the next thing is I've got to get the tips, because I'm torn. Now I make these, I like this newfangled, whenever I did these years ago, these, call them a soft gel tip, but in actual fact they're not soft. They're just a bit more flexible on the end, but they're still firm on the tips. So these are what I did for myself, and I think they've worked out really well. I was really happy with the fit and everything. So I sized them up first. Come off. I sized them up first, and then I painted them on my tip stands, and then they just stick on. And I put them on my tabs because I didn't want to put glue on. But they're so solid, but you've got a tiny little bit of flexibility, look, for fitting them on. And I think I'm really swaying towards getting that type of tip, because I did myself some, and I had them on for 2 or 3 weeks and didn't break one of them. The other option was to do the acrylic, but they're the very, very firm plastic, and I don't think they're as good for your nails when you're trying to get them off. I think a bit of flexibility would be better, but I don't know. I might go down that line, I don't know. More instalments to come. So the next video will be showing you my logo, and I'll do a kit, and we'll have a look at what the kit looks like. Ain't that cute? Oh dear. Yeah, I definitely need another one though. So yeah, so I'll show you my logo, and I'll do a set. And I've got to wait to be able to buy all the different shape tips and order the sizing kit. And what else do I need? I've got myself a little book. What else do I need? I need my sizing kit. For the measuring. Oh, I need some boxes, some mailing boxes for small parcel if people buy more than one set. I need some chiffon bags, like I ordered these, but these were too small to fit the sticks and things in, I think. I don't know. They might. Let's make a kit up. Let's get one of them. A buffer. A alcohol pad. A little file. Oh no, it's not going to fit. These. Yeah, they're going to be too long. So I need next size up. They don't fit, look. Yeah. So I need the next size up, which I can use these for my jewellery sales. And my jewellery, I often buy things like this. Pretty ones. So I think I'll probably do them in something like that. So they'd go in there nicely. Yeah. So that's it. So that's everything for today. Yeah. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. And if you subscribe, I'll show you what I'm doing and everything I need to buy. And whether I actually carry it forward or, I don't know, fail miserably. You'll get to see. Thanks ever so much for watching, everybody. Love you loads. Oh, take care.